Hello students, we are going to see about aptitude questions. So I'm going to take 11th question to 15th question. Let us see. So it is given that 6 years ago the ratio of the ages of Kunal and Sagar was 6 is to 5. 4 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 10. What is Sagar's age at present? We have to find the present age of Sagar. Let us consider Kunal as X and Sagar as Y. Next, so before 6 years, age of Kunal and Sagar is in the ratio of 6 is to 5. So to calculate this, we have to find like x minus 6 years divided by y minus 6 years is equal to 6 divided by 5. That is Kunal age and Sagar age. So we have to cross multiply. 5 into x minus 6 is equal to 6 into y minus 6. So 5x interior multiplication, 5x minus 30 is equal to 6y minus 36, constants one side and numbers one side. 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 36 plus 30. So 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 6. Let us consider this as equation number 1. Hence this is a first condition. So in next condition, 4 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 11 is to 10. That is after 4 years their ratio ages will be 11 is to 10. That is x plus 4 y plus 4 is equal to 11 by 10. So 10 into x plus 4 is equal to 11 into y plus 4. If we solve this, 10x plus 40 is equal to 11y plus 44. Same like first condition. 10x minus 11y is equal to 44 minus 40. So 10x minus 11y is equal to 4. So this is equation number 4. We can equation number 2. We can solve this by elimination method. 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 6. 10x minus 11y is equal to 4. So by solving for elimination method, we have to convert first equation. Multiplying first equation by 2, we will get the answer as 10x minus, that is 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12y is equal to 6 2s are 12. This is new equation we got from first equation and this is second equation. So by solving this, we will get minus y is equal to minus 16. So the value of y is equal to 16, which means y is considered as Sagar. So the age of Sagar at present is 16 years. So Sagar is 16 years old at the present.